be showing you all of my fidget toys. So let's go. First one is this looking Rubik's Cube or something. It even does this. Okay, I bet I can make a snake out of it. Let's see if I can make a snake. So make the head a bit up. Do it like this, okay. And then, wha-bam! I built a snake. So this is the first fidget toy I have. Next one is this pink Simple Dimple. I know, I'm not a girl. I just liked it. Oh, this is a pink Simple Dimple. And I have the last one of the fidgets I have is this. Not the last, I have like a bunch of those puppets. And I have this little, whatever this is, and you could like move it with your bear. You can move it, like crush it. You can do almost anything with these. So these are, by far, I like the Simple Dimple, and I like some of those puppets, and I like this little stress toys. Now the next toy I have is a heart puppet. So I have like collected all of the satisfying. Okay, next puppet I have this is one of my first puppets I ever gotten. It's a owl puppet. It's like an owl puppet. Owl puppet. And the next one I got is this squarish puppet. It's a really big square puppet. That's satisfying. And now I have a pineapple. The next thing I have is a pineapple because I like pineapples and they're so cute and they're so yummy. Let's listen. That's my pineapple puppet. And I have a unicorn puppet. I just really like puppets, and I decided to just get this because I thought it looked really nice and cool. So let's hear it and let's see how satisfying this sounds. That's pretty satisfying. Okay, the next puppet I have is a dinosaur puppet. Okay, the next puppet is a dinosaur puppet. So like, if you just kind of do it like this, like you can just like play with these for stress and anxiety. And take a look at the sounds. And I have a Mickey Mouse puppet. And I'm saving the best for last. Okay, that's it for my puppet video. Psych! Among Us. Boo, 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 boo. Boo, boo, boo. Yeah, yeah. Do, 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 do. Do, 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 do. Do, 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 do. But like all the other puppets, it's Among Us. It's a Among Us puppet. Yeah, that's it for my puppet video. I'm gonna get more soon.